week, man.
I took
That's an
pen to
amazing
paper.
way to end the
Sir,
fucking week,
man.
Andei. That's an
Good work,
amazing way to
man.
end the
Congratulations,
week.
bro.
So that's your
Thank you
first.
so
So that
much,
is your
Kev, man.
first.
Congrats.
So you just made
Yeah,
your first 5 figures out of this market.
100% in a day,
100%.
man. Crazy. One day studying as well, you know. Like I ain't been back on the
One.
charts for ages, but I took note of what everyone was saying about CRT, back tested it, I put my head in it, and pen to paper. Everyone's got their own way of studying, man's visual, and it paid.
Come on, now.
First chart that I marked up, I saw straight through it, and it worked.
Come on, bro. First trade studying the sauce, bro. First trade studying the motherfucking sauce. Made $10,000. That shit don't even sound fake. Now,
Hey, good shit, man. That's just your first 10K. You finna do 100.
Let's get it.
Trust me.
Niggas be needing to hear this shit from out of more than my mouth, bro. Like, so that niggas can understand that this
100%.
success is literally contagious. So I want you to tell motherfuckers, bro. How long have you been trading?
Ain't nobody doing this, man.
I've been trading.
Ain't nobody doing
since
this.
CS.
I don't see nobody
CS
hitting
started.
10K live trades.
I
Nobody.
remember that. I
Yes,
remember
it's doing
CS
it.
starting.
Don, shut up.
Yeah, I remember
Right.
CS starting. I traded profitable. I'd say for about 4 months, and I jumped off to do content. I've been doing content about a year now. That's paying. I jumped back in. I'd say about 3 months ago. CRT was something I couldn't get my brain around, but I think I didn't try to be honest. I didn't try to. It just threw me off a bit, and without doing the Zoom calls, I didn't really know where to sit. The team's been pumping all week, and as soon as I put myself back in the Zoom, as you lot can see, I've been in the group. I've been in the group about 10 days active, 2 weeks, just engaging with you, watching everyone's motivation, jumping back on the Zooms. I've had my head back in about 10 days studying for one day. And that is just the motivation for the team, watching everyone move forward and everyone push each other. And one day, 2 pieces of paper of accumulation, manipulation, distribution.
Come on, man. Come on,
And we hit a 10K a day.
Hey, God is good, nigga.
shit like
paper,
fucking
man.
clock.
Fire in the dance. Fire in the dance.
Oh yeah, and the trading journal. And the trading journal.
And the fucking trading journal.
I've been using it for a
You got to have it. You got to have
just
it.
reading where I
So Andei, word on game. What do you think is that first of all, congratulations, because I know how long you've been. I know how long you've been trading. You've been under me for God knows how long. So to finally see the fruits of your labor go through, and all it took was one fucking day of you saying, "All right, you know what I'm saying?" You've been under me for years. You know what I'm saying? It just took one day of you being like, "All right, let me get to it," and $10,000. So what do you think is the one thing that shifted between like everything, all the years you've been under me versus like what you just did? What was the one mindset switch that you think really made you turn?
You know what? I think honestly, CRT was what I threw myself away from. Watching you grow from me starting with you, literally watching you grow. Now I can see how reachable it is. It's most definitely in reach, and you've not been one of those successful traders that dips.
Go, Andy.
So to be able to see you grow and still reach you, I think it makes all of your dreams and manifestations a lot easier, because most people get rich and disappear. Having you within reach and still able to communicate with us, I think holds it. And the group together is showing each other. Just jumping back into the Zoom and being able to network with everyone and talk to everyone and watching everyone else move forward, and everyone else, this didn't make sense. I think everyone's just really honest with it. To be honest, that everyone is very vocal about their losses and their wins, and you don't see that anywhere else. Hence why I stayed. Even when I wasn't trading, I was still in the team. I was still here, and I knew I could come back at any time. That's why I got my lifetime membership. And it's just about sitting down and knowing when your time is. I've done content, I've enjoyed it, but the one thing my heart has always been with is trading. And I said to myself, the winter time, it's time to focus. I've got 3 months till the end of the year. Lock in right now, because I'm not starting January the same.
Oh my God, Andy, bro. I'm trying not to drop my tip. I'm trying not to drop the bell, boy. Because I know how hard Andei worked. Like, bro, some of y'all don't know Andei. Like, Andei has been through this bitch since before CS was even the name. You understand? IML. You know what I mean? It's been fucking shit. I've known Andei for like fucking 7-8 years now.
A long time.
Like, it's been a long time, bro. So like, when I see people like you Pop, when I see people like KK Pop, when I see the OG people that's been under me since God knows how long, and just to know that goddamn, like, it may not click immediately, But your success is all based on how serious you gonna take it. You locked in for 24 hours.
100%.
That shit outweighed years of goddamn how much you've been studying. You understand?
Literally, just putting my brain to it, man.
Andei, listen to me, bro. Take 5 bands, bro.
Yeah, 100%.
Tell you how good.
Do you know what? I was trading on 2. This was one of my funded accounts. I passed it, and then now this is my withdrawal. But I've been trading on. Luckily, I traded on 3 accounts. I didn't do futures today. I traded my funded account and I traded my normal account. So that was another thing I've been able to do. Not over leveraging. Not take every trade on the same account. That piece of knowledge has made my brain work much better. Trying to trade everything on the same thing is mad, because when it goes backwards, you're 3 times the emotions. So I'm just trading 1 gold over there on my little baby account because gold's big, and I was trading GU on my big account, and I didn't have no emotional attachments to either because I didn't over leverage and I didn't feel like I was too tied in.
Hey, that is a fucking bar that I've never gotten. That is such a bar, man. That's a bar, bro. I hope y'all wrote that shit the fuck down, bro. Yeah. The nigga was able to detach himself from his money because not all of the shit is in one account. Yeah. When you got that trade,
this was a mistake 2 days ago. This was 2 days ago. I got the funded, yeah, and I lost 8K. Remember, everyone got whacked by gold. I lost 8K in a day, and I went to trade it again, and I said, no, why did you lose and keep trading? You got 4 accounts. Right. You just kept chasing it so I just switched the phone off. I said, I'm not doing it again. I traded on my demo, played around. I watched everyone else trade. I watched you, and that was another thing. Watching you take the trades and not taking them. That was a bite in my fingernails moment. But I had to. I had to get over that. And I said to myself, all right, I'm making back everything I just lost on that account now, plus more. But I didn't. I said, I'm not going with gold again. That gold's got too. Wait, see when you can see how much you've lost when it says this week. That pisses me off the most. Because I can already feel like I'm starting in red. So I said, let me just go with GU, the first pair that I ever fell in love with when I started trading. I can see through GU. So I jumped with GU and I said, I can leverage higher because it's a Forex pair. And that was able to make the money to maneuver forward. So I didn't even need to stress gold. And gold was just on my other account on a 0.05 lot, doing what gold does. And I was able to leverage both because I didn't feel too emotionally attached. So I would say definitely having a big account to play with your Forex pairs, but not to put NAS and gold and all on the same trading account. It's too many emotions. It's way too heightened if you're over leveraging it, you know?
I 100% agree. And that's something that I've never really said. I've never really said that to you guys throughout all this shit with teaching, bro. You pretty much just brought a new point to everybody that I hope that y'all learn from. You see what I'm saying? That emotional attachment to the money when you got them trading every single thing in one pair. Like, and I've never really even thought about that shit, bro. Like, I'm glad you said that. I've never really thought about it.
No, NAS moving and gold moving at the same time, and you're watching someone else in 5K profit. You're just flapping on your phone, switching apps, boom, 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 boom. And I'm trying to switch from meta to meta to meta. And I said, whoa. This is erratic. This is not what I've studied for. Trading is supposed to be simple because my markup's correct. So why is it feeling erratic? So I said, all right, I know what I'm going to do. On a 200K account, I'm just going to let GU play on that because I can leverage high. And on my £2,000 account, we can play with baby gold because gold has your emotions in all types of shit. We all know that. And gold's been moving crazy recently. So I separated them and I left all week. I've been trading my futures and my futures is good in profit. So today I said, you're in profit. You're up 4K for the week. I'm not even touching you today. So I just left that one. And I think having multiple accounts is what led me to be able to not have so many attachments because it's not all one amount of money. I don't need all of that. You know what I'm trying to say? So I will withdraw from that account half of it, but I don't need to because I've got multiple now, which I think that made my brain understand it a bit more. Not all of your assets in one place because one loss just fucks you.
Don't put all your eggs in one fucking basket. Never put all your eggs in one basket, Dad. Wow, Andei. I'm so fucking proud of you, man. That is fucking
Thank you. Appreciate everyone, man.
Hey, wow, man.
Trading journal as well, guys.
Y'all tell that nigga congratulations one more time, man. Get the fuck out of here, man.
Congratulations. 4 years ago. I bought this trading journal 4 years ago.
Congratulations,
I bought this trading journal 4 years ago and I used it for 2 days and look what happened. Use your trading journal.
Say it one more time. Say it one more time, my man. Say it one more time.
4 years. Look how empty it is. 4 years ago, I wrote in it for 2 days. And I hit a 10K day. 2 days.
And I'll be telling y'all.
4 years I had this, 4 years.
4 years. He only wrote into it today.
I only wrote it for 2 days.
That trading journal does so much, bro. I swear to God, boy. Hey. Nigga, I'm speechless, nigga. I'm speechless.
All the things we got taught, just put them all into practice again, and it runs, man.
The shit works, bro. What I teach works. Do y'all understand? Like, damn, boy, this shit crazy. God damn. Hey!
Thank you guys, man. Thank you so much.
Oh, Andei, boy, you better go buy you something.
I'm going to my mum's house now anyway. I told her
Come
I'll
on.
call her when I'm not trading, so I'm going to go see her now anyway. She lives around the corner. And that's where we go to celebrate. All of this is for family anyway, so straight to my mum's house, you feel me?
My Dukes know you trade?
Yeah.
Yeah,
my mum, I was on the phone to her today. She said to me, all right, I'm going to leave you, spend your day at your computer, and then switch off because I got boxing at 8 o'clock. She said, make sure you lock that computer by 8 o'clock. I was on the phone to her this morning when I was in the trade because she'd heard about my 8K bad day the other day. She said, how you feeling? I said, self-inflicted. I'm not even going to whinge about it. I did it to myself. Like, literally. I literally did it to myself. I just kept tapping and tapping and tapping. So,
You got your money?
pardon?
Say it again, gang.
What did you say?
I don't know what the fuck. Maybe he won't talk to you. Y'all got any questions for
Okay.
Andei while he's on his
But yeah, thank you. Now do you know what? Now it's time to lock in even more. After the 8K day, I said to myself, I've got to buy the course tomorrow. So now I'll buy the course tomorrow still. I just done a little bit of research on what you've posted, but now we're locking in. So it's gonna be a 100K day once that course is wrapped up. So I'm getting that tonight. Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, I'm man, Andei, congrats you fucking.
Thank you, man. Thank you. I couldn't do it without you and the whole team. Don't get it twisted. It's a unity thing. It's a unity thing, 100%. Watching everyone else, watching you, everyone. I feel the same emotions when you lot win. Just watching my girl the other day hit a 10K withdrawal. I was nearly in tears. You get it? It's like we feel the same to each other's, bread. You get it? So it's all the same, man.
It's more of a family thing more than anything, bro. You see how
100%.
like word on gang, I can go tell any of my homeboys right there now, I just made 10,000. Niggas wouldn't give a fuck. Niggas wouldn't give a fuck if anything. They'll be mad because they ain't make it.
Yeah, it's the only place I talk trading is with my trading team. I don't talk that with no one else. There's too much evil eye in the world. Just here. You get it?
Word up. But and last question I got for you. You said that was a funded account or that's your live account?
That's my funded. That's my fund. I passed it though, so that's my withdrawal.
So that's your withdrawal.
Yeah, that's my equity edge 200K account.
That's a 200K you made 10K on.
Yeah.
Easy. Without even having to over leverage. But that's why I be telling y'all, like, if you're gonna get a funded account, bro, what the fuck is a 10,000 or 25,000 gonna do? What is the 50,000 gonna do? It's not gonna do nothing.
Yeah. Do you know what? I passed them, but I pass them, but I never get past the passing them part. And it's because it's one day you'll make 5K and then the next day you're struggling again. The 200K was breathable, but like I said, if you're gonna be slapping 5 to 10 pound on points on gold, when it goes back, you're fucked. Like I was the other day. I was fucked. Like I just watched it go 8K minus the day I bought it. Like, oh shit. And I sat down and said to myself, all right, cool.
I sat down and said for myself, shut your motherfucking ass up and show
Yeah. You better revamp 24 hours off, you earned that, yeah? And then just get back to basics.
I got about it. It was a troll. Don't worry about Monday.
Oh yeah, it's fun. But yeah, man, it works. Like I said, studying for the rest of the night, boxing, and yeah, just want to say thank you to everyone, man. Thank you, Tracy. Thank you to the gang, and we're gonna have a 100K day next. Let's go.
Easy. Word on game. One more time. Congratulations, bro. Yeah. I'm finna come my ass to UK. I'm finna bring my ass to the U. Word up, boy. Everybody. Now, once again, bro, if y'all can't see what the fuck is going on, bro, every time we drop a Zoom link, it is something else. It's something else. Every single time. It's somebody new at that too. It's not the same niggas popping shit no more. It's everybody else. The saying success is contagious is an understatement. You understand? It's an understatement, bro. All it takes for y'all to see someone else do it, for you to be like, nigga, I can do it too. It's one thing when the mentor do it, because I'm the nigga that know it. But when you see everybody else pop around you, it's like, all right, cuz it's time to lock the fuck in. And that's why I come in the chat this morning like, why is it so quiet? I didn't think that it was because of me being not as active as I usually do, because everybody is cashing out with me being quiet. So that's why I'm like, damn, like what the fuck is going on, nigga? Niggas is making more money than they've ever made ever. Y'all are seeing niggas make 5, 6, 7 figures every single day, and yet y'all blaming and yet it's quiet because I'm not talking. Nigga, y'all should be talking to the niggas that's making money in that bitch. Oh God, like this shit should be active as hell. But that's besides the point. Saying that to say, everybody, their mama is starting to cash the fuck out, bro. The hard work, I always tell you guys, it never goes unnoticed. I see y'all. I see what y'all do every single day of the week. I see who's live and direct. I see who's active. I understand. You know what I'm saying? And bro, like it for me like sitting back and like watching all y'all journeys, bro. It's something y'all used to come to me and be like, nigga, I'm about to quit this shit. Like I need a break. Like I can't do it, bro. I done lost too much goddamn pay and all that good shit to see what niggas would go through in their trading journeys. You know what I'm saying? For years, and then see one day everything fucking changes, bro. Whole life change. Y'all don't know, but that capital that Andei just got, bro, can be everything. You need to go fucking crazy for the rest of life. You understand? Like, nigga, $10,000 all nigga need. 5K goes in the trading account. Guess what? You lit for life. You understand? If you play that bitch right. So it's like, bro, that win right there is something that to us is like, to us is huge. Don't get it fucked up, but y'all don't even know the magnitude of how big that first that withdrawal is. That 10K day, like it's not just, oh nigga, I've been trading for this long, I finally made $10,000. No, that is what you call the breakthrough point. You understand? That's what you call the breakthrough point. That's when you've been grinding, and you finally see some real money hit. Not just no $100, not just no $500, nigga. We talking about 5 figures off of pressing buttons in an hour? All right. If that don't make you dive balls deep into the skill set, I don't know what the fuck will. You want to know what got me really into the shit? When I made $17,000 from $17 in 3 motherfucking days. Nigga, if you don't see that money hit your bank account and be like, boy, I gotta dive balls deep into the shit, I don't know what the fuck will. But some of y'all lack the passion simply because y'all haven't had that goddamn, y'all ain't get that play yet. You see what I'm saying? So it's all like, what if I make the money? I see everybody else doing it. When is it gonna be my turn? When is it gonna be my turn? And then you watching everybody else cash out, and that shit makes you feel depressed. You know what I'm saying? Maybe, damn, what the fuck am I doing wrong, nigga? You see what I'm saying? Your time is motherfucking coming, bro. If you can't see, your time is coming. It's literally inevitable. Trading has a 100% success rate for niggas that stick with it. You understand? Niggas that stick with trading, you gonna get it right. You just gotta stick with it, bro. Andei's been under this shit for damn 6-7 years now. You understand? And it just popped. It goes to show, stick with it, bro. No matter what the fuck happens, this is the only skill set where you can lose God knows how much money. How much money y'all think y'all lost trading so damn far overall? Drop in the chat. Drop in the chat or unmute your mic. How much money you think you done lost over fucking raw? You know what I'm saying? Guesstimate. You know what I'm saying? Let me see. 45,000, 7,000. This past year alone, 2,000, 3 to 4,000, 3 racks, 2K, 3, 4K, 30,000, 27,000, 20,000, 70, 80,000, 25,000, $500, 30,000, 3K. You understand? Now, name one other skill set where you can lose that much money within a short amount of time and you still want to do it. Oh,
not a damn thing.
Not a damn motherfucking thing. You can't. You see the longevity in it. You see what the fuck going on with this, don't it? This is the only one. This is the only skill set out of all these little get rich quick scheme motherfuckers. And this ain't no get rich quick scheme, but it's the only skill set out of all these little entrepreneur routes you can take. Word, nigga, I don't give a fuck how much money I goddamn lose, nigga. All it takes is one. All it takes is one. Life changed forever. You understand? Bro, the value of this skill set is so. I say this shit every single time I get on Zoom with you guys to the point where I'm tired of saying it, nigga. Quit taking this goddamn skill set for granted, boy. Quit treating this shit like it's a side hustle. You know what I'm saying? The second that Andei took 24 hours to say, let me not treat this shit like a side hustle, the second she made the most motherfucking money ever. Ever. You understand? Y'all gotta take this shit more serious, bro. It's a reason why y'all niggas ain't getting this paper, bro. It's the reason why. And if you feel like I'm talking to you, that means I am, nigga. Tighten up, bro. You seeing what happens when niggas apply that pressure on these markets, bro. You see it. You feel me? You got to be a blind ass motherfucker. You got to be most ignorant nigga alive. And you can't look at everybody around you popping shit and be like, nigga, I can't be next. Are you kidding me? These random Joes. Everybody on this bitch, random Joe. Don't game. Lil, boy, what y'all hear me say all the time? Lil old me? How the fuck am I lil old me doing? We is random niggas, bro. Believe it or not. You know what I'm saying? Random as hell. And we able to do this shit, bro. And print this bitch, nigga. We ain't nobody special, bro. Word up. Like, you feel me? Like, nobody is. You know what I mean? Like, don't get that shit wrong. Y'all get the point I'm trying to make. Like, nigga, we is, you feel me? We regular motherfuckers, bro. And we got access to the most lucrative market on earth. And y'all niggas playing with the shit. Quit playing with the shit, boy. Hey, I don't even know what else to say, nigga. I'm smiling from ear to ear. Nigga that made my motherfucking day, man. Word up. I wish this shit was on YouTube, but I am recording this bitch, so this bitch will be posted on YouTube. Word. That's hard. Let me go to the chat real quick, see what y'all talking about. We make more than doctors. Yeah, I seen somebody post that shit this morning. I was thinking about like making a reel about that shit. Goddamn, I see somebody post it on their story this morning. It was like, goddamn money. I think it was my boy Anthony too. Anthony Hilfiger posted that shit. That's my dog. He posted. He was like,
only
goddamn.
make $500 today. That's
Yeah,
the
yeah. He was like, bro, like
money's not real to traders anymore.
So he said, money. He said trading got me so fucked up on my view of money because I can literally make $500 in a day and be like, that's not enough, nigga. That's a doctor's salary. You see what I'm saying? Like, nigga, like trading got us all the way fucked up. Time wise too. I know the potential of the shit. Facts. Jeff Bezos built Amazon, took him almost 20 years, and he almost a trillionaire. 70 years, and this ain't nothing. Look at the potential. These is facts. You know what I mean? Locked in is an understatement at this point. No cap. How much is the other group chat? 125 monthly. What other group chat? You talking about my shit? Oh yeah, Slayers. Slayers is 125 monthly, 1050 lifetime. Come get this money. You want access to my shit, like my personal shit, where everybody popping shit. You gotta come one-on-one mentee. You gotta spend that pay. Man, you gotta spend that pay. And come join the Slayers. Lifetime. Well, it depends on, well, once again, it depends on what Discord you're talking about. If you're talking about GJ Slayers with me, Don, and KJ, and that big ass community we got, then lifetime would be 1050. You talking about my personal shit, where Andei's in and all my little rich ass students is at, the group that I had prior to joining Slayers, that's a tab that you gotta pay to get up in there. That's a tab. That's a tab. Fine, 6 bands. Need that. And nigga eyebrows went up when I said that. Nigga said, hey, you won't expect to that 6K. Oh, hey, look, you what it is.
Oh no, you work for it and then you just gotta invest in yourself. It's gonna pay off for sure.
Word up.
Do you just believe when I get it, you got it. Yeah, straight to your cash app, Zelle, Apple Pay, one of them.
It's love, brother. That's love. They said only team I ever been in, only team I'm gonna be in. Love folk life, Andei. Word. So do you ever feel like you would get to the point where you don't charge people? What type of question is that? No.
Yeah. Life ain't free.
I always charge people. I already did my free shit. I already put my work in. Some of y'all don't know me prior to this shit. You see what I'm saying? Some of y'all just now finding me off IG and shit. Nigga, we've been doing this shit right here since 2021. Really 2020. You see what I'm saying? When I left IML, I've been teaching for God knows how long. I've been making niggas 6 figures before I ever made a dime. And I was doing all this shit for free just to get my name out there. That's why I got the community I got now. Because I did shit for free for a year. I did goddamn free. I had a free Telegram chat, running Zoom calls every single day, calling signals. I did free boot camps. I went from free boot camps to $10 boot camps, $25 boot camps, $50 boot camps, $75 boot camps. And as I built my name and my testimonials got even more crazier, that's when I started to up my shit. And then it got to the price where I'm at now because not only am everybody else making money, and I'm making money. It was at one point where everybody else is just making the money and I won't making the money. Now, I'm rich and everybody else rich. So you gotta pay that tab. Yeah, you got to pay that tab. And niggas is getting rich within exponential amounts of time. Who do you know turning fucking $5,000 into 5 million plus? Nigga, who the fuck you know doing that shit? What mentor can say they did that shit, nigga? What mentor can say they got niggas turning $900 into fucking 100,000 in 4 days? What mentor, like, nigga, these results is fucking ridiculous, nigga. And once again, every single goddamn day is somebody else. Somebody else. I already did the free shit. I'll never go back to doing this shit free. This is my hard work. This is my hard time. And think about this too. You are literally getting free shit. Half of y'all niggas is on this bitch from 500 to 5K challenge. Some of y'all is on this bitch from the baddies chat. Some of y'all is on this bitch from the goddamn free signal chat. Y'all get shit from free from me every motherfucking day. As much as I want to raise my prices and goddamn charge y'all niggas, I can't help myself but not give out free shit. Cause that's just a nigga that I am. So y'all better take advantage of this shit while I want to do it. Telling you. You know what I mean? But for that one-on-one shit, yeah, you definitely gotta pay for that. You can get some signals and shit every now and then. But for one-on-one, yeah, you gotta pay me for that. Word. Look at Nas. I knew that sell-off was cap. That bitch like she gonna get right back up that motherfucker. But I ain't touching this hoe. Cause I think look at how she got down. That's what I wanted to see. Remember how I said I want this bitch to wick out. I just got them FVG or else I wouldn't touch it. She just wicked out. So what I want to see is I'll move this line right here to yesterday's low, and if we can get a daily CRT confirmation, which it looks like it's on the way to do so, then yeah, we're gonna see if we can apply some belt. Come down to a lower time frame. Only thing is that Model 1 candle was huge, bro. Like Model 1 is the high is up there, and that's about damn near where the TP at. At the same time, if daily CRT pops off, this bitch going to new all-time highs. From there. It's going to new all-time highs. You see what I'm saying? That's a good little stopper right to kind of keep this bitch going. If this bitch break on top of this Model 1 candle, this bitch is flying. New all-time highs. You can bet your whole account on the nigga. So I don't want to touch it now. You feel what I'm saying? But I do have a strong expectation that off of that reaction right there, and then we just filled in 50% of this 1 minute gap, it used this to sell off and come get this candlestick right here, and then now we right back up here. She ain't trying to sell no more. She done tried to, and she failed. You know what I'm saying? This bitch ain't trying to sell, bro. She finna got to get her ass right back up that bitch. That was just a crazy ass flash out. That's some red photo shit for your ass. But that shit ain't stopping nothing. Word on gang. I think next poop, I ain't gonna touch it till we get all the way up here. You know what I'm saying? And then I'll look for my plays like a retest or some shit like that. But she's definitely setting up to go new all-time highs. I ain't gonna lie. Just let that bitch. Don't stand on that until we close on top of here, because we know how price action be. This bitch got to get right there and they get it dumping. I'm mad as hell. So, you know what I mean? Once that bitch close up there, we'll be looking for buys for the rest of the week. Word up. Being around you was worth more, in my opinion. Niggas need to pay $100,000. I'm weak as hell. Hey, shit, nigga. You should put that on like a billboard and take a picture with it. Cause I can't say that. I can't say that. Yeah, I can't tell niggas that yet. This vibe is immaculate, nigga. You know what I mean? You get around me, nigga, you ain't gonna have no choice but to win. You know what I mean? Literally. I think I'm one of those niggas where the vibe is just contagious, bro. Not like no I'm a fun ass nigga vibe. I'm talking about that get money vibe, bro. You know what I'm saying? Niggas be coming around me and just sit around me and see how much I be on this. You know what I'm saying? How much of a how happy I always am and shit. How I'm always trying to I'm always giving niggas the shirts off my back. You know what I'm saying? I'm one of the nicest niggas you ever meet in your motherfucking life, nigga. You dig what I'm saying? Like, and it's thanks to the skill set too. This skill set gave me the opportunity to be nice, to be generous. You know what I'm saying? To care about other motherfuckers, bro. It's all thanks to these charts, bro. I swear to God. I'm done talking y'all head off though, man. We're gonna send this bitch for a little bit longer to see if like gold gets back up here, if Nas gets back up here and shit. I don't want to keep talking y'all head off about me and shit. So unless y'all got any more questions, we're gonna send this bitch for a little bit longer and see how these goddamn motherfuckers rock out. It's 3:14. I'll give shit to around 3:30. I don't want to be goddamn trading too close to market close. So I'm gonna give this bitch a few, like at least 15 more minutes to see what type time she's on. And how impulsive she's in to get up here. And if she don't show us nothing by then I'm gonna give you my analysis, give y'all what I'm looking for, and I'll just tell y'all to look for that shit. After the market open back up type shit. If y'all got any more pairs y'all want me to look at, by all means, holla. Damn that! Hey, y'all can't tell me that announcement on the money with these JPY pairs, bro. You can't tell me that bitch want the motherfucking money, boy. I called this sell off nigga. I called that bitch on Monday on all these bitches, nigga. All of them. That's nasty work. Nasty work. All right, we're gonna bump this straight up top. And y'all don't ask me when that bitch is dropping, bro, because at this point, nigga, I keep getting hold on every single time I try to drop this album or something else. I just got another notification this morning about this album getting denied and it was supposed to drop today. So it's something is something that they're not giving me an explanation on why. I think I'm gonna have to take a couple songs that I got on that bitch off the album completely and then just drop the bitches on YouTube or some shit like that. So if that bitch fuck around and end up being an EP, that's why. I had at least 12 songs for y'all on that bitch, but they keep holding my shit. So I'm gonna have to cut that bitch down like fucking 7 to 8 or some shit. Yeah, it'll be awesome. And yeah, we cool. All right, we're gonna be on this bitch for a little bit longer. Watch price action. You got any more questions? Holler at me. If not, we chilling. We're gonna bump new trader talk though. We're gonna bump new trader talk. It's supposed to have already been out, so we're gonna bump new trader talk. I'm play corporate thug, and that's my shit. Play corporate thug. No, I did not delete the EJ buy limit. I'm still holding that. Still in it.
Here I am, and still I'm saying, like I'm going like these other niggas do, boy, I be can. And my bread is niggas friend. If my body lift up big guys, then money in my pants. You can catch me out the way, I'm in my A up in the end. Let's put it on that heart. Any nigga around me counting, I pop out with Noah's heart. Cause I work hard for this shit, and I ain't moving rows apart. We a team to everybody, know they rolling, know they thoughts. Big words, move out. I've been saying something in live, but it's big, but who's counting? I ain't talking shoes, my bank account just got a new balance. So walk around my neck, it's like my chain got 2 balance. Never hold on and curse that bitch, I love a new challenge. This shit bigger than expected. Once you meet the right people, you'll be flooded and connected. Put in their face, they ain't gonna have no choice but to respect it. And my brace to replace the cuff, the times I got arrested. But let it to be correct, like I'm the one that got elected. So if I can get neglected, if you said it, then direct it. If I said it, then I meant it. Any problems, I prevent it. Need a paper, I'm spend it. Bitch, my name, I represent it. Playing games, and I'm in it. I don't play around with niggas, now they logged out like to spend it. If it ain't about no paper, my name been and I ain't in it. I play the fuck around and blend it higher than a pigeon. All I know is I'm a walking guy. I don't do religion, I'm a boss. I can go anywhere I want like Miss Sprinkle. 3D bird business like a classroom and dismissal. Playing with my money, you get hit with 6 missiles. I can take my thoughts and turn it into life. This shit simple. Niggas wanna be. I think that I'm who they wanna be. I ain't facing nothing, just go be a magnet. Come to me. I don't fuck around and put the seeds and grow a money tree. If I'm in there losing balance on the bank in front of me, I don't pay them no attention. Niggas sweet like Tennessee. I'm gonna be off the muscle, bitches say no look at street. Never follow about it. Everything be big like double D's. Niggas say I'm violent. Now they try to send that double thing. I'm gonna be on my plate and sometimes it troubles me. I'm confused behind a punch. These niggas broken puzzles me. Niggas saying that the double street, that ain't my cup of tea. They knowing if she fuck with me, high and she stuck with me. This shit all facts. Stay on niggas' heads like a ball cap. On the road, the princess, you gon' get a couple drawbacks. Catch me in the market taking inches off a small gap. Money never sleeps, I gotta eat, so I take small naps. Too much motion, it's the motion picture. Too much motion, I got motion sickness. Can't just gotta keep focused with it. I don't see a day that I'll be over with it. When it's said and done, they gon' say a nigga overdid it. Never over budget. Like the truck, bitch, I ain't over grudges. Anything we been through, we can overcome it. We come by and sell it, bitch, I'm feeling like I'm Warren Buffett. We from track to train, now I got my brother fucking thugging.
Nas looking good, boy. Nas is looking good. I don't want to touch that hoe though, boy. I don't want to touch that hoe, boy. That bitch looking good though, boy. I ain't gonna lie. I don't want to touch that hoe, boy. I don't want to touch that hoe till she break these gaps. That bitch looking good though. Boy, my mama, that bitch looking good. Come here, Millie. That bitch looking good, nigga. That bitch like it's about to get bond. I ain't touching it though. I ain't touching it.
Man, that shit about to sell.
Boy, shut your dumb ass up. Stupid.
I'm for real.
My word. We'll see. We'll see. Oh, word. Oh, word. Oh, word. Oh, jail. Oh, jail. You think it's gonna sell? Your dumb ass on. Let go.
We gon' see. Well, to be honest, to be real, I'm really on US 30 sell.
Random day. One time with your bitch, your bitch ran away. So it's 30,000. I'm watching anime. Watch out for these cartoon niggas that love that.
Or whip, can of tank, these flights, come red.
What you think US 30 gonna do?
Hey. All the questioning Big Esco booming on why Big Esco booming ain't pressing buy or sell right now. When I just told y'all exactly why Big Esco
Nah, I said what you
pressing
think
buy or
US
sell
30
right now.
gonna do. I said what you think it's gonna do.
30 looks completely different than NAS. So
Yeah.
with 30, I don't like how she closed below this. I don't
Yeah,
like how
that's shit.
30 looks a lot more bearish than NAS does. You see what I'm saying? At the
I'm
same
selling that
goddamn
hoe.
time, let me see something real quick. Let me see something.
Tell me something that's gonna make me hold this sell.
Oh nah, if you're in a sale right now and you caught that, yeah, I will hold. I will hold. I think if you're in a sale right now, if you caught that bitch like somewhere up there before that bitch dropped off, that bitch until we get down to feel this right here.
What number that? What number that is? 700? 200? That's 200.
40. I would hold it down to at least, if you're in the sale, try to get that bitch down to like 47,363.
47,360. All right.
That's a
Copy that.
That's a good daily FB jizzle. Yeah, I mean not FBG, but goddamn big ass dog. Now this got to get filled. And we got a daily bear CRT as well. You just don't want that to turn into no bullshit. So where's your entry?
I got a whole lot of them bitches. I got one way up at 47.98.
That's a good entry.
I got some at 94. Got one at 813. Bitch, I just popped one of them bitches at 668.
I'm weak as hell. That nigga said he just popped one more. Word on God. I ain't mad at that. I ain't mad at that. Especially the way that bitch dropped below these gaps. I ain't mad at that. Goddamn. What I will say is, make sure that this gap right here holds its weight. You see what I'm saying? This is around the price range. You know what I'm saying? So if you are,
I pulled one from the gap. As soon as that bitch respecting that gap.
Good work.
Yeah, I'm waiting for that daily closer below Tuesday's low to switch back bearish.
If she closes bearish like this, bro, I would potentially look for sales to get down here. See how clean these lows is right here? That's good. That's good target. That's good target and trying to get down here with.
Because I caught those sales yesterday.
Like the correction is way down there. Like, Like, look where this big move just came from.
If she really want to get up, I don't think she's gonna drop too deep. I don't think she's gonna drop all the way down here now. You know what I'm saying? But I do think
like a little lower.
Yeah.
Like right there.
Yeah.
I ain't mad at that.
Y'all can catch it up in here. You know what I'm saying? Just make sure this I would have my stops on top of everything that's in profit. I'll have this shit on top of the square that I got right here at this high.
I don't want to close so bad.
That bitch should close. That red 4, that's a good potential midweek reversal right there. The only thing that I don't like is the fact that we got divergence. Like 30 them broke through all these goddamn gaps and shit. You see what I'm saying? So it's like more or less obviously bearish. While Nas came down and just respect the daily gap, and now we're kind of like trying to go up from there. So unless Nas like breaks on top of this gap that I'm talking about, that's gonna lead to this bitch going to new all-time highs. You see what I'm saying? While 30,
because right there look like it might respect that and like break and retest that area for Nas. Like right there where your shit at. Like you said, if it break that, hell yeah.
Yeah,
Make some bullish structure.
It's all about it, though. It's all about
It's all about that price action. This shit do what the fuck.
Most definitely. But that 4 hour looking good, bro. Like this 4 hour, bro, that bitch look good, bro. I'm telling you, like this bitch might just got to get the fuck up out of here, which makes me just a little bit suspect on 30. But I would just
because that hour candle turn back bullish is gonna be looking ugly.
Yeah, this bitch turned back bullish because like what she really did was, if you really break this bitch down,
swept low,
swept lows. She came from goddamn new all-time highs, and US 30 is ultimately bullish. So this is why you'll kind of like have this is what you'll have like what's the word I'm looking for? Discernment. You need to have discernment on which side of the market you're paying attention to get ran. You see what I'm saying? Like highs got ran, that bitch sold off for shit shows, looking good. However, this bitch is more bullish than anything. You can look at what happens every single time this bitch sells off to go get some lows. That bitch gone. You see what I'm saying? So you don't want these lows that got clean right here, which were clean as hell, and all the shit was stopping short of a gap, which is right here. You don't want that bitch right there to turn into run on stops, break a structure back up in an ultimately bullish market. You understand? So that's why I'm telling y'all to pay attention to this gap right here. Because if this shit get closed on top of, which is a bearish balanced price range at that, so this is the strongest gap in the market. If price breaks on top of that, wraps. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm saying. Goddamn, pay attention to what price does when she gets here. As long as this bitch respects, you're going to get that sell-off I'm talking about. But if this bitch breaks structure bullish after just cleaning these lows, that bitch going to do the same thing Nas trying to do. Okay? And when you got goddamn, if Nas was looking more bearish, I'll be more or less like, nigga, hold the fuck out the sell. But now that I see the divergence in between them, it's like, all right, I still want you to hold the sell. Don't get it fucked up. But I want you to have a lot more caution on what happens on the pullback. That makes sense?
Yeah.
Say less. Everybody, that makes sense. Once in the chat, y'all understand what I'm talking about here.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm waiting now. Since I caught that gold, I'm just like, I'm waiting on that daily closure now on everything. It's over with.
Yeah. Let me apologize, gang, too. I thought he was one of them goddamn trollers that was coming on the talking shit. So I didn't mean to.
No, that was me.
Yeah, no. Let me.
I only said the shit about the Nas shit because I was in US 30, even though they be moving alike, not alike. But I don't give a fuck what Nas do. But if Nas do look bullish, it makes sense. Everything you said. But I was really on 30.
For sure. No, for sure.
For sure.
Once again, my apologies. I thought you was
that boy Tracy was on time, won't he?
You know how the trollers. Y'all know
I was laughing with your ass, man.
Y'all know how the trollers get on my shit, but they get to talking shit, nigga. You know what I mean? I'm automatically on demon time. So, you know what I mean? But I do apologize though. My fault, man. Good work. Yeah. Watch that goddamn gap. Let me see what the fuck everything else talking about. Where go with that bitch ain't break structure. That's why we wait for every confirmation is everything. Could not break structure. Not going back up as of right now. Nas, where you at? Still respecting the gap. This is why the confirmations are everything. You see what I'm saying? I need price to tell me, nigga, I am bullish. That's going to happen when we close on top of here. If you cannot tell me it's clear as day we are bullish, then I'll come back tomorrow and see what's up with you. You know what I mean? But as of right now, ain't nothing to talk about with none of these bitches. We actually got to chopping it up. You know what I mean? Chopping it up on gold. I mean, I'm not gold. Nas. Gold still falling. Yeah, I mean, I told y'all to target with this motherfucker at this point because we done daily CRT. So I think this bitch really gonna goddamn fall for the rest of the day. Then these lows right here is real suspect right here. And if we come back from a higher time frame perspective, right? See the weekly. If she gets below that daily gap, you know what I'm saying? Talking about if she gets below this bitch here, you gonna see this bitch fall. A lot more. We're coming down here next. 50% of this gap. That's another deep ass push down. You see what I'm saying? Now, in all actuality, this is needed in the market. Like what's happening right now, I don't necessarily consider it like bullshit price action. It is moving more wacky than it usually does, obviously. But I'm not considering this pullback like or this goddamn major sell-off as like some bullshit. I just think that what goes up has to eventually come the fuck down, and we just won't expect it for it to come down as quick as it did. I think that's more or less what it is. You see what I'm saying? Like, that bitch got to retrace eventually. You know what I'm saying? That we've been fucking bullish for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks straight. You see what I'm saying? Without any type of bearish pullback. So what's happening? Once again, we didn't expect it to happen as fast or as quick, but it's not like it's not out of the market's range to do that shit. It has to do this shit. You know what I'm saying? So the deeper this bitch pulls back, obviously the better we can get in position to rock this bitch up to new all-time highs. Also, the farther that this bitch pulls back, the potentially longer it's going to take to get back to new all-time highs. What I mean by that is, obviously, if this bitch was to go from where we were just at earlier up to new all-time highs, that won't take as long because we're only here. We're close to new all-time highs. If we're all the way down here and then we go up new all-time highs, it's going to take longer for price to get up there than if it is right here. You know what I'm saying? So it gets us in a position to fuck around and swing this up. You know what I'm saying? When this shit is all said and done, bro, I stand on this shit, bro, because gold ain't going nowhere, just on pullback type time. I stand on this shit. Every single one of y'all is going to get the biggest trade you ever had when gold is done selling. Because we're going to buy that bitch and we're going to hold the fuck out that bitch. You know what I'm saying? And if y'all can have the balls to hold that motherfucker, bro, that's going to be all y'all breakthrough trade right there.
Hey, Tracy, you think it'd be safe to catch a quick sale on gold till it stop dropping until later today?
I wouldn't be mad at it. It's just all about where you feel like you're going to get in position at. I do see this bitch dropping, so I wouldn't be mad if you got in sales, not at all. The question is where you're going to get in. So let's try to break this bitch down real quick. First thing I seen once again was that bearish CR tizzle. So let's try to see if we can find model 115. We didn't already clean model 1. We didn't already clean that bitch right there.
Yeah, that's where I got my sales from this morning. I closed at that 4 hours.
It's looking like a good entry right now. What you think, Tracy?
75%, and then I'm letting the rest 25% run to that swing low. So we're gonna see.
Hey, somebody answer this question for me. Gang said like a good entry right the fuck now as we speak. Somebody telling me.
No, sir.
Yeah, go ahead, get up in there. Go take that right there.
It's gonna show you why it's not a good entry.
Report that hoe.
He said, "Yeah, go up in there. Oh, go ahead, pop that bitch."
Go ahead, pop.
I'm doing it.
Nah. Don't do it. Don't do it. Just patient.
Oh, damn, it's going too quick. Nah, it went too quick. See, look. I knew it. Fuck.
Listen, brother. You never, ever, at least based on the way that I teach my students, never sell as price is selling. No. You sell
safe. I ain't do it. I'm safe.
Safe. If anything, wait for a pullback. You sell as prices buying to catch the reversal. You know what I'm saying? You don't like when I see niggas sell as prices selling, the first thing I think of is nigga, you chasing that bitch because you ain't getting up there. You see what I'm saying? Like that's the first thing I think of. Like you're chasing, bro. And like the second you press sell down here, that bitch had you in profit 1 pip and reverse stupid on your ass. You're like, God damn.
Smack.
You know what I'm saying? And you could have been right on that bitch too, but what if you was wrong? That's the thing. You got to put yourself in position for the best odds. Like trade is like an odds game, like probability. You know what I'm saying? What's the odds of me selling down here and that bitch actually continue going versus me getting that bitch somewhere up here and catching that bitch as it's buying and getting that reversal back down? You always sell as prices buying, nigga. Always. Look. We done took out this motherfucking low. This bitch want to wicket. Your ass right back and draw down. Just as quick as you was in that bitch. You know what I'm saying? Mad as hell. You wait until price pulls back. Where does 80% of the retracements go to in this market?
Imbalance or liquidity.
You damn skippy. FVG field. Want to know where to enter? There. All right. Man, but no, definitely not sell that bitch right now. I would say model 1 that got clean. All right, that's a good sell. Look at the reward you get with that CRT shit, bro. Sell that bitch right there. Stop on top of the high. All that, nigga. Word on game. I'm not gonna lie. I don't see no good entries right now. I'm not even gonna cap to you. I mean, I could tell y'all to sell on the next pullback inside one of these gaps all I want to, but y'all know my strategy. What do I need to see before I enter?
Run on buy side.
So unless this bitch buys the fuck up to go clean some highs, I'm cool. You know what I mean? I'm cool. I need this bitch to goddamn. That's a little bitch ass high right there, but I don't even like. I need that bitch to get some real liquidity. I want that bitch to get up here.
All right.
That's what I would personally need to see for me to goddamn get y'all comfortably in a sale. Doesn't take nothing away from the fact that this bitch will continue to dump. I see this bitch getting down here. But for me to get y'all in position for that bitch, I gotta see what I need to see. Or else I'll just let that bitch fall.
Yeah, I had to take your command on it. I'm like, man, I can't just hop in myself. Hell no.
Yeah, not down there. Maybe it was up here. I'd tell you, all right, like go ahead and try and enter with a low lot of some shit. But nah, not down there. Hell no. Hell no. Not when the price just ran low. Never that. That's how you get waxed.
Yeah,
that's retail.
I got her off that daily fair value gap too this morning and been holding. So fuck it. So I'm in that bitch. I'm up like 500.
Yeah, something. Oh God, good money. Yeah. That bitch looking good for the dump. That bitch might keep.
Yeah, I'm going to that swing low. I said fuck it. I took 75% off the table and let 25% run just in case you want to be on a bullshit.
That's how you do it. That bitch definitely looking good though. I hold sales if you got it.
Yeah.
That's why I ain't been touching gold, bro. Like, I caught the signal last night and that bitch went bonkers. Bought that bitch down here and shit. Took that bitch up there. Besides that, nigga, fuck that shit. This bitch ugly.
Yeah, because I'm not buying gold until she break over a swing high. That's why I ain't been fucking with her all week. I've been popping their ass on sales, killing them because I'm like, if she don't break over a daily closure over a swing high, then she still just she ain't taking out no highs, not no real ones.
Bias on gold. I don't even see myself selling this bitch. Like, you know how hard it is for me to press sell on gold, bro. Even
yeah. So I'm waiting for a swing high. So like today, if we close bearish, I would wait for basically the high of today, Wednesdays to that. Let us be ready to. Yeah.
Yeah, that bitch looking good. Everything looking good. I just want that. Boy, I can't wait for the buy. I say this shit every.
Once I see that swing high, it's over with. I'm taking that bitch out of here.
I cannot wait, nigga. Like this buy gonna feed families, bitch. I swear to God, nigga.
Oh my soul.
Nigga, I just need that bitch down to this gap right here. That's all I want. For a all-time high is even better. But nigga, I just want that gap right there. From down here up here. Ooh, that's such a bad. Y'all niggas don't even know. Y'all niggas don't even know, nigga. If goddamn little bitch ass 1025 cent to make your ass damn that 5K on that. Up.
Really?
Wrong God. Good. That bitch looking good. Let me see who won this call, man. We chilling at this point. Ain't no, I ain't calling no more issues. Everything playing. This bitch consolidate the shit. Look how
she's dancing, man. Wait till Asia tonight.
Look how liquidity runs the world. The price always gonna try and find some liquidity. Now that bitch get the flying from here, bro. I'm gonna say something. I might, yeah. You know what I mean? I see that bitch get all the way the fuck up here. I'm gonna get excited in that motherfucker. Look at her. That liquidity runs the game, bro. Sometimes I need y'all to do this. I tell all my motherfucking students, nigga. Sometimes you don't need to pop no motherfucking trade. You just need to come on this bitch and just stare at the chart. Just stare at it. Watch it move. You want to know why I got this confidence? Then you want to know I'll be putting that belt. Why I can talk to my goddamn students like, hey, nigga, do this. And it happens, nigga. Because I already took the time out to do it. But stare at these charts here. They for 8 years, nigga. I see it. You know what I mean? This is how you grow that confidence that I got, bro. This is how you grow the understanding that I got. It's by watching price form. You know what I'm saying? That bitch, I just clearly seen, as clear as day, prices come down here to take out this motherfucking low while filling in a fair value gap at the same time. This bitch reversing. Why would I believe that the market does anything else other than filling gaps and run liquidity? I see this shit happen all the time, every day. You know what I mean? This is that sometimes y'all niggas don't need to be in the market popping trades in order for you to get the understanding. I don't want some of y'all niggas need to take a week. Yeah, I said a whole week. And this is the time to do it too when price action is moving slow for in the fourth quarter. Give me a week of not doing nothing. No, God, but watching this bitch. The same way you would stare in front of your goddamn charts to pop trades, do the same thing, but don't pop no goddamn trade. Just watch everything. Grow your belief system, grow your confidence, grow your strategy. You see what I'm saying? Like, that's the only way to fucking do it. You know what I mean? Like, popping the trades is cool, but you don't want to goddamn keep popping trades and losing motherfucking money if you know good and well that you keep popping trades and losing back. You dig what I'm saying? Like, so that being said, What we doing right now? It's called live testing. You see what I'm saying? Watching price form. My strategy, run on stops, break a structure gap. You watching that shit happen right the fuck now. Every single signal gets called from this type of price action. Look at it and look at a fly. Look at a fly. Man. So yeah, that bitch give me something down here, boy. I need her to clear this high up here first. But she got them pull back. I may get my scout. I may get my baby lot on, man. I may get my baby lot on. Not now though. She needs to clear and then pull back. And if she does it, I may get my baby lot size on, man. Every single time this bitch sells off, it's running stops. Oh God, sell off, run stops, break back up, sell off again, run stops. These lows right here within this little range. Run stops, break back up, consolidate, run stops, break back up. Run stops, break back up. The bitch keeps doing the same motherfucking thing. You dig what I'm saying? It's showing you, hey, nigga, look at me. I'm showing you something. You know what I'm saying? And watch what happens as a result, nigga. Watch. Since she just came down to tap this little gap. 50% on the motherfucking money. That bitch, if I'm lying, I'm flying in this hoe. And I'm still sitting right here. If I'm lying, I'm flying. And I'm still sitting right here. Watch it skirt. Fuck a signal. Fuck a signal. Y'all just need to learn, nigga. Learn. Watch it. Watch it. You know what I'm saying? You look for these type of goddamn confirmations. You look for these type of plays. All right. You also want to pay attention to why I be saying things. You see what I'm saying? For example, why did I say that price needs to clear this, get on top of this high before I start looking for that buy?
Looking for the commitment closure candle.
Commitment closure. Exactly. Breaking on top of everything bearish. Everything. You see what I'm saying? If we just ran stops, that's the first step to the equation. After that motherfucking goddamn break up afterwards, gotta clear everything bearish within the vicinity, nigga. Got to. So that fair value gap was first, then we got uphill with it. This is why you see me draw this goddamn box up, and when I drew this box up, this is when I said, if she clears here, I will buy on the pullback. You know what I'm saying? Because once she gets here and closes on top of that, this is a bearish inversion fair value gap. 50% on the money on it. Dump. If she would have cleared this bitch, we'll be flying right fucking now. Confirmations of everything. You understand? Waiting for price to show you as clear as day. Hey, nigga, I'm ready to buy. You feel me? And I don't take nothing away from everything I just said, nigga. I'm still expecting for this bitch to fly. Once again, every single time she sells off, it turns back around. So I'm still expecting for this bitch to goddamn yeah. But I will not enter until she proves what I'm trying to say is right. You know what I'm saying? I can have my expectation, I can have my predictions, but in the market conditions that we've been dealing in since the fourth quarter got here, you better make sure that price action confirms that analysis. And don't just be buying and selling willy-nilly just because you think some shit's gonna happen. Price ain't playing right now. This ain't the summertime. You see what I'm saying? Price is not playing right now, nigga. This shit is on seek and destroy type time, like fucking Call of Duty. You ever play seek and destroy on Call of Duty, nigga? When niggas is out to fucking, your ass is sought to get destroyed, bitch. You understand?
Yeah. I'm pretty ass at that.
No, I'm pretty ass at that. Me too. I don't like playing Call of Duty. I like playing the zombies, bro. Everybody be too good, bro. You have to get quick scope the second you touch down on the motherfucking nigga. That's how my stop losses be getting me. Nigga. You get quick scope the second you land, nigga. The second you land on the motherfucking thing, nigga, you die. That's stop. Word on game, nigga. Fucking hate that game.
I knew I was ass when I couldn't handle it because I used to, like, you know how you move the buttons on the controller? I start moving my head with it. I was like, oh, fuck no.
That motherfucker oh, gang. I'm got them head and that bitch just bobbing. Word up. Goddamn, I don't play that Call of Duty shit, but y'all can get that 2K work whenever the fuck y'all want. Whenever y'all want it, y'all can get it. My mama. Look at gold. That bitch falling, bitch. It's going right to where we wanted it to. That analysis on the money. Game probably mad at me. That nigga like, bro, you said you told me want no good entry right there. That nigga probably sick. Hey, that nigga sick as hell. Hey, I don't give a fuck. Nigga want no good entry. God, stand on that. Stand on that, nigga. Don't never.
Bro. It's better safe than sorry. Shit.
Better safe than sorry, brother. The one time that you sell as price is selling, bro, she hit your ass for some shit like that, you gonna understand why I say that. You gonna understand. I promise you that, nigga. I will never in my life sell as price is selling. I've learned too many times from that shit. That shit's dead. But this bitch give me a pullback. Cause look at the 2 hour. I like the 2 hour a lot. Look at these gaps up here. I want that. Like I need that pullback up to take her ass down that weekly. I think that's what she on. I think that's what she on, boy. You know what I mean? So next pullback on gold, we definitely on ass, especially if she stops short of these lows and then pulls back. That would be great. You see what I'm saying? She can stop short of these bitches and then start coming up that 2 hour nigga. We gonna belt her ass in that gap. If she got them run these lows first and then keep coming back up there, I'm gonna have a little bit more caution. You know what I'm saying? A picture perfect world, this bitch gets to pull it back damn near right the fuck now. And we get a fucking entry during Asian or London or some dumb shit like that and be able to rock this bitch out for tomorrow. Because a pullback is definitely coming. I don't think bitches gonna got them keep dropping all the way down. Is that bitch coming? But yeah, all right. Price ain't talking about shit, y'all. So we done. No more entries. No more entries. Look at Nas. Still just following suit. That bitch. That bitch came and filled in the little lower gaps down here. Blasted right back off. Still not touched until she breaks on top of this, and you can see why. Look at how price bullshits with you and plays with you. You know what I'm saying? But if we clear this, all this little up and down shit is dead. That bitch comes right up here. You know what I'm saying? This is why we wait for shit like that, nigga. This you getting stuck. You seeing lower time frame consolidation live and direct. Ha. You know what I'm saying? You see this little bitch ass goddamn higher high, higher low, higher high. Cap. That's that goddamn. That's that retail bullshit. That's that candlestick Bible bullshit. I ain't going. I don't like price action like this when she curses a trend line and shit. I don't like that. That makes me feel like I'm buying with everybody else. Because niggas bought here, and niggas definitely bought there. Well, if they can see that trend line, they in that bitch. You know what I mean? But at the same time, no analysis paralysis. I still stand on it. If she closes on top of here, that bitch gonna get up out of there. So we'll see. We'll see. All right. I'm finna get up off this bitch. All right, that was good. We got a lot of fucking testimonials for the day. Nigga, we didn't get any trades. You feel what I'm saying? We bought Nas. We was in profit for a little second. Stopped sat at BE, and we didn't buy. We didn't touch a cent. You feel what I'm saying? Which is good patience on all of our ends to not want to chase no motherfucking move. You understand? Like, nigga, it's okay to be in the market one day and not pop nothing. You feel what I'm saying? There won't none A+ within this motherfucker that want me to want to get up in this bitch. You see what I'm saying? So as a result, we chill. That doesn't mean this shit won't happen within a couple hours or something, like within when the market opens back up or something. But as of right now, shit was dead. You know what I mean? So we use this time to live test. You feel what I'm saying? Literally watch the market. You feel what I'm saying? Go off of levels. Y'all was able to learn my confirmations. You see what I'm saying? As far as what I look for in order for me to enter trades and shit like that. We watched these confirmations not confirm themselves. And as a result, we didn't enter trades. And we watched price not confirm these biases, and as a result, price did exactly what we didn't want it to do. Like, for example, we don't close on top of this gap, it sells, and it did that. You know what I'm saying? Now we're on top of the motherfucking gap. Closure. All right. So what time is it? It's 3:49. Yeah. Watch what price does from this pullback right here. Watch this. Equal highs right here. Let's run on stops. We finally broke structure bullish. All right. So picture perfect world, this 1 minute candle right here doesn't pull back yet. You know what I'm saying? It stopped short a little bit just so we can create a 1 minute fair value gap. And that way, the 1 minute fair value gap will rest inside of this fair value gap. And that creates what?
I was gonna say the pullback
No.
for the initial buy.
BPR.
BPR. That's what I want to hear. Two gaps that. That boy Sosa on that boy. Quit playing. BPR. Word up. God! I can't make this shit up, boy. I cannot make this shit up. I swear. I cannot make this shit up, boy. I can't make it up. I can't. Mamas. Mamas. Mamas, nigga. I can't. I'm turned now. I don't gotta be in the trade, nigga. We don't have to be in the trade for you to see what the fuck I just said happened. I say we close on top of this. All this up and down bullshit is over with, ain't it? Gats run the show. They run the show, nigga. I just got lit, nigga. Quit playing. Y'all see the excitement I got as if I'm in the trade making this money? Y'all gotta have that excitement, bro. Y'all have to. This analysis is on the money. From Red Folders work at that. Only thing is I didn't get my pullback exactly where I wanted to go to. I wanted that bitch at 50%. I still want price to come to me regardless. You know what I'm saying? So this is more or less a mental win. She can still very much pull the fuck back. It's just not happening right now. You know what I'm saying? Point being, we broke this bitch down pip for pip. Pip for pip. Since that bitch fell. I told you guys off the flat, the second that bitch fell, I say if that bitch don't close, we say we want this bitch right here to wick out. We watch this candlestick come all the way down here. We watch this candlestick full and red, bro. Full and full of body. You know what I'm saying? And I say if that bitch can wick out, then we're going to be green for buys. That's exactly what that bitch did. Did it give me a setup down here that I wanted to take advantage of in order for me to buy? No. All right. So I didn't buy it down here because look how low it went below the goddamn gap. So we needed to make sure that everything was valid. All right. Then we had this fair value gap right the fuck here. You know what I mean? So we watched price action form out inside of this gap. And what did I fucking say? I say she's showing signs of bullishness. This is what I mean when I say read in between the lines, bitch. I feel like such a fucking guru, nigga. I swear to God. I surprised myself so much on this shit. This shit is lit. Nigga, read in between the lines on these goddamn candlesticks, nigga. This fair value got filled here. That bitch sold off to run stops. That's why I kept saying, like, every single time it sells off, it's just to run stops. And that's how I know this bitch should be looking to buy. Because if this bitch wanted to sell from this gap after she created it, she would have did it. She would have did it. But yeah, every single time she comes inside the gap, it just sells off to go take out a low, bounces back up. Creates lows, sells off, bounces back up. Creates lows, sells off, bounces back up. It does the same thing, compete. So that's what gave me the bullishness. You know what I'm saying? Like, nigga, we not going too far. On top of the fact that when the red folder came out, the bitch left equal highs. That's all stopping short of that gap. So what's that doing? What's the word?
Inducement.
Inducement, nigga. We seen right through this shit, brother. We seen right through it. Only thing is, nigga, I wanted 50%. That's where I told y'all I was gonna buy at off the pullback. She didn't give me 50%. That's the only reason why we ain't in this trade right now. But nigga, none of y'all should be looking at this goddamn trade like, fuck, why he ain't called a buy? Nigga, do you not see this analysis, nigga? Did you not just learn from this motherfucking trade? Nigga, drop a one in chat if you learned. My analysis, you just got VIP sauce. Did you learn from this or not? Y'all are getting VIP treatment, nigga. On game for the people that's not in my VIP. This is what niggas getting rich off of, bro. Word. So take this shit and run with it, bro. Like, don't necessarily be in this bitch for the money. I tell y'all this shit all the time.
I swear to God, I just learned with FDG, like how to read that shit. Just right here.
Easy. Easy. And all that shit on fucking live, nigga. And I recorded this shit, nigga. YouTube, we go.
I'm definitely going back to rewatch this shit.
YouTube, we go. Oh, I love when I record this shit. Boy. Hell yeah, I love when I record this shit. Word. Hell yeah, nigga. That's fucking beautiful, bitch. That analysis is on the fucking money, nigga. Word on game, boy. Reading through all this bullshit, nigga. Reading through all the chop. Reading through all the cap. I still want my key area, though. So I'm not going to touch it unless we can get a deeper pullback. Because I'm going to, when I buy, my stop is going to be below where we just ran stops at, which is there. This low right here should be protected. We should even get back there. Damn it for the rest of the week. Keep it gangster. This low right here, we shouldn't get back there. Wow. Smart money answer there. How hold on, I hear Millie downstairs going crazy. I'm finna beat her motherfucking ass. Hold up.
This nigga.
What was the question? He said, why is it not going to return back to that area?
Yeah.
Dang, I wish I could have seen a higher time frame.
That little bitch nasty. That little bitch nasty as hell. She's gonna shit all on my floor.
God damn.
You done beat her ass.
That little bitch nasty, bro. Oh god. Word. All right. I mean, shit. At this point, fuck, lesson complete. I mean, shit. That was a good live testing lesson right there. That was fucking, yeah, that was amazing.
Wait, what was the answer? You said, why is it not going to return back to this key area? Is it because it's a higher time frame fair value gap?
No,
That was filled?
it's what price ran stops at. That's algorithmic law. If prices ran stops and turned around, price shouldn't get back to the lower high that brand stops. Smart trade, like bank, y'all think banks enter this. This is why price manipulates, is because banks is what control the shit. You see what I'm saying? So when we see price take out a low and that bitch instantly reverses, you should be able to visually see what happens. Like, nigga, when I say smart money engineers and shit to bring this bitch back down to this low, liquidate niggas. And this is what gives smart money the ability to enter the market. They can't just buy and sell at ease like how we can, nigga. Liquidity has to get ran for whatever the fuck the reason that is. I don't know, but liquidity has to get ran in order for these niggas to get their positions. You see what I'm saying? So when price sells down and go get a low and then wicks that bitch and then instantly reverses, that's visually you seeing, okay, smart money bought that bitch right there, because that's what gives it the reaction. You see what I'm saying? That's what gives it this reaction. So smart money entered this bitch down here. The reason why it's protected is because banks are in the market with us. So if they're controlling the motherfucking market, do you think that they want damn. If they're controlling the market, do you think that they want price to get back to their position and get stopped at a break even?
Nope.
No. So they're going to make sure that price stays on top of their entry. Hence why intermediate term highs and lows are a thing. If prices took out a low and then reversed and smart money bought that bitch down here, this low is now protected until price gets to whatever the fuck the target is. In this case, I believe the target will be new all-time highs, but bare minimum, this fair value got right the fuck here. Bare the fuck minimum. You see what I'm saying? But really new all-time highs, considering the fact this is a daily CRT. You see what I'm saying?
Hey,
so
let's go.
What up?
Hey, big dog.
God, what's up?
I said it wrong, big dog.
He said Cisco. Cisco, yeah. Because a lot of people do that, bro. They think it's all one word, but CSSCO. Oh, God, well, call me Tracy, though. Okay.
So, Tracy. Hey, you think it's going to be safe to enter back on NAS after that candle close, or just wait it out a little bit?
I need to pull back. I need to pull back. Goddamn. And then, I need y'all to remember, too, Model 1 is right here, right? That's Model 1. So if she closes on top of that bitch right there, yeah, we gonna need to pull back, bro. I don't want y'all to buy right here and then be in profit for a second and then she does this shit. You see what I'm saying? She could very much go from right here, but she could very much also play with you for a second and then bring his ass back down to where I'm telling y'all to. As a result, it's unnecessary drawdown. You know what I'm saying? So I would rather be more safe than sorry, bro. And if she starts to goddamn fly, then we can easily find more positions. Like, nigga, today ain't the only day the market gonna be open. We can find position to get up in this bitch. Now, that's not a problem. We just want to be more or less 100% confident that we know this bitch gonna fly, which at this point we are. You see what I'm saying? So we know this bitch gonna fly. We got everything, you know what I mean, analyzed and all that good shit. We got the confidence we need. Now it's all about finding the right position, not any position, the right position. Treat price like baseball, nigga. When you step on that motherfucker, my CS done heard me say this shit a trillion times. You step on that motherfucking batter's, you got that bat like this, nigga. You walk up to that motherfucking plate, you got that motherfucking helmet on, nigga, and you trying to knock that bitch out the park, and that nigga throw that pitcher throw that motherfucker like this. Feel me? You ain't just gonna swing at anything, is you? You gonna let that ball come.
Wait for the right pitch to miss with every swing.
Oh God, exactly. Treat price the exact same way. You don't just enter anywhere. You might identify your key area. I say, bitch, I need you to come right the fuck here. Look at Nas. I can't make it up, bro. That's
what they call that boy, Tracy the chart guy.
Chart God, boy. Chart God, nigga. I'm finna change my IG name. Look at that
I
bitch
swear
go.
to God, I'm finna go back and watch this shit on YouTube and break this shit down.
Bro, that's so fucking crazy. That's nasty.
Reteaching.
That's nasty, boy. That's disgusting. Ugh. Ugh. Oh God, I'm not even mad I ain't in this bitch, nigga. I swear to God, I don't give a fuck. Oh God, sometimes you just gotta sit back and look at the beauty of this market, bro, and then soak it all in, nigga. Soak it all in and understand that everything you've been studying, nigga, it fucking works. This is one of those wow moments, even though I already know the shit. You know what I mean? It's still, I got such a passion in this market that even when I already know the shit like the back of my hand, it still surprises me. It still turns me up when I see that analysis going to money, nigga. Because this is the hardest market on earth, nigga. 7.3 trillion circulating every day. And the average ass nigga like me know how to know the shit like the back of my hand. That shit turns me up, boy. That shit turns me up, nigga. I don't got to be in the market for a trade like that. I can find my position and later on understanding that today's analysis was on the money, and that gives me confidence to know that we fly for the rest of the week. So I can find my positioning. I'm not worried about that, nigga. Red folder was discussing activity. We was able to read through that bitch just to see and understand where this bitch was gonna go. That bitch did it. Next pullback on NAS, I think that's belt. Nothing else to talk about. Belt. Nigga, that nigga. Boy, listen, boy. Boy, listen, boy. Let me get up off this car before I get the gassing myself up. This nigga, sure. I'm feeling myself after that one, boy. I'm feeling myself after that one, boy. Especially considering the conditions the market's been in, nigga. This shit been some bullshit. It feel like a breakthrough, nigga. On God, nigga. Like, damn, nigga, finally. Word. You know what I'm saying? That bitch got them going crazy too, nigga. New all-time high secured, nigga. Look at that shit. Look at it. Look at it. Overly bullish. I can't make this shit up, boy. And it all came from what? That one gap getting closed on top of, bro. That one gap we was paying attention to. The second that one inversion gap got closed on top of, boy, it was over with. Over with. That's what sent that bitch to the moon. And now we close on top of Model 1. Look what happened the second that we close on top of Model 1. The second that, I'm talking about the second that we close on top of Model 1. That camera right there. The second that we close on top of that bitch. Instant. Gone. Instantly, bro. Instantly, nigga. You understand? Crazy work. That's why I had that candle identified the whole time. The whole time. Oh, God, nigga. Quit playing. Why? Yeah, look how this bitch moving. This bitch moving, too. Look at her. This bitch moving. Retest the Model 1. Just retested the high of the candlestick. Gone, man. Gone, man. I don't need to be in this money right now. This is good back test activity right now. This is good back test activity right now. Y'all learning right now once? Huh? This shit making sense?
One.
Yeah.
Oh, gang. Don't let me talk y'all to death, nigga.
Whoa.
Oh, shit. Word. Yeah, boy.
I feel like that's why I was getting caught low key. I wasn't letting that shit close above it. Like I was off that breaker structure bullish, I did buy off that fair value gap.
You got to be patient. This shit is not no motherfucking joke, boy. This shit is not no joke, boy. That confirmation is everything, nigga. I can't touch this bitch unless I get the confirmation. Can't. You playing yourself. I still need my pullback too. And
Play with your money if you want to.
Oh God. Especially now, bro. Like especially now, bro. Like this fourth quarter has been disgusting, nigga. Disgusting. You see what I'm saying? So like this is the nigga. I could have told y'all to buy that bitch down there. I could have told y'all to buy it right here. I could have told y'all to buy it right here. I could have told y'all to buy it right there. But I didn't for reasonings that makes fucking sense, nigga. You prepare for worst case scenario in a market like this, bro. It's ugly, it's choppy, we know it. I'm 100% right on this one. I could have been 100% wrong on this one. You see what I'm saying? And we could have got fucked over. So I much rather, this is what I mean when I be saying like, I much rather be entering with 100% confidence that I know we're gonna fly at this point. If we was buying down here, it'll be more or less like, I hope we break on top. Right? So at that point now I'm stressed the fuck out every single time price pulls back and shit. You see what I'm saying? But I'd much rather wait until price gets all the way the fuck here, which means I missed this whole play. That's fine. But now that price is up here, I know that we should keep going fucking going. So now it's my confidence play. You see what I'm saying? The confirmation's confirmed itself. Buying down here, risky, stressful, because we didn't know that this bitch was gonna go crazy. For all we know, we could have kept fucking falling. It's red for today. But after she confirmed everything, now I can enter with more confidence. You know what I mean? Looking for these plays and shit. This bitch acting like she want to pull back now, right before market close. That's what type of time you on. Definitely pulling back in the Model 1. So y'all know my play. Y'all know my play. Where my gap? Where that bitch at? I think I deleted that bitch by accident. That bitch falling now. There you go. Watchy, watchy. Watchy, watchy. I keep wanting to get up off this bitch, but price moving too goddamn fast right now. We gotta watch this bitch. Watchy, watchy. We want that 50. If you gonna buy that, bro, go low lots. I'm debating on if I'm gonna buy this bitch right before market close or not. I'm debating on that bitch. I don't like buying indices right before market close. Current spare is a different thing. Gold may be a different thing. I don't like buying indices prior. Because them bitches get to move after 4:30, nigga. Them bitches get to fucking, they ain't on shit at all. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna see what this bitch does. Yeah, I mean, just know that we looking for that shit bang for sure. That pullback looking good, boy. Instantly, there go the key. There go the first key area. Let's see what happens. So this will be your first key area retest of this gap. And 50% of the inversion is right here. So that would be like both of your key areas right here and here. It is white line right here. I mean, that's where I would expect for reversals to come from. Millie. I'm gonna go beat her ass, bro.
What up, dog?
Millie ass be wild, bro.
Hey, let's go.
Watch this bitch. Watch this bitch. And listen to my favorite Trader Talk song of all time.
You call me, big dog?
Nah.
Hey, let's go.
Yo.
You ain't having no Zar plug up here?
Huh?
You ain't having no Zar plug up here?
Man, fucking main ass handle that shit for me.
Bro, what's up?
Oh God,
Oh,
I had that shit ready for me every time I came down that bitch. But shit, nigga, ask Discord. Just play niggas saying Atlanta. Hit Discord.
That's why I ain't know if any of your people stayed up here or any of your students type shit.
Shit, ask around. I'm pretty sure. As a matter of fact, hell the fuck yeah, niggas. As a matter of fact, give me a second. You weren't on the Zoom last night when goddamn niggas got showing all that fucking art. Oh, you ain't the slaves. But goddamn, it's one nigga that's in Atlanta. I'm finna hit that nigga phone right now. I'm going about that shit. Yeah, I'm gonna see if he got that. Yeah. Give me a second.
Hey, Scola, mind your business, nigga.
Oh God, before we slap shot you.
Hey, y'all niggas shut the hell up, man.
Who the fuck you talking to?
I ain't never heard that bitch talk about mama.
Oh God, that nigga got that Zoom talking spicy.
Hey, I ain't never heard that nigga talk on the Zoom. That's crazy.
Let me. What up, Skull?
Hey, what's happening, man?
Y'all looking at one of the best cameramen in the city, nigga. You feel what I'm saying? Best producers, nigga. All that. Nigga, quit playing. Word up. Hey, look at that 50, nigga. Look at that bitch, boy. I'm telling you. I'm fucking telling you, nigga. Golden. Get y'all way in that bitch. I ain't mad at you. You can find your way in, nigga. Fuck. 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 Get up in that bitch, nigga. Fuck it. And that bitch just ran stops again, nigga.
I was hoping you'd say that, Tracy. I bought a second ago. I was scared because that bitch started going down. I'm knowing it's finna shoot though, bro.
She got right down to where we wanted her to. She got right down to where we wanted her to. Just go. If you're entering now, please lower your risk, bro. Please do so. You know what I mean? Don't try and go too crazy, bro, because we are dealing with right before market close. But this could be a good potential. You dig what I'm saying? Bitch, fuck around and gap up.
So this bitch gonna shoot for show type shit.
I mean, it's looking good. It's definitely looking good.
Yeah.
Ain't putting nothing past the market now. Don't hit me with the shoot for show now. Oh God.
No, not for sure. Yeah, we know nothing for certain.
This bitch has confirmed everything I needed to see for me to want to buy it. You know what I mean? Ran stops during the red photo. We broke back up new all-time highs. This bitch is looking super duper valid for buys. I will give it that. So
yeah, I was looking good. We know nothing for certain though.
Yeah, the bitch looking amazing. I would buy it though. The only reason why I'm not like y'all ain't hear me like call that bitch a second right there is because as I said earlier, the market's about to close. So I don't like entering trades right before the fucking market closes, bro. I hate doing that shit. You know, that's the only reason why I didn't screen buy right there. I was more or less watching this up. You know what I'm saying? But I'm not mad if you're in this bitch. I'll actually get the fuck in. You know what I'm saying? I'm not mad at you at all. Just put your stop below the low that got created during the red photo and see this bitch gonna goddamn rise. See what I'm saying? So you can scalp that bitch up to FVGs once she got them geared up. You know what I'm saying? And if she can break on top of that little 1 minute gap right there, it's built. All right. Now if that bitch end up falling below this motherfucking goddamn let me get to the leading shit. All right, but we gotta mark this bitch down now. FB Jizzle right here. This bitch cannot close below this. Cannot close below that, boy. All this shit right here was kept. Unfortunately, you know what I'm saying. So this FVG needs to get respect. That's why I wanted 50% for the buy. 50% is there. Stops below the goddamn gap. See if we can get this bitch back up new all-time highs. All right, but we do not need price to break below this right here. And although this bitch looks A plus 100%, hell yeah, let's do it. This is fourth quarter price action, baby. Don't put nothing past this bitch. Don't put nothing past it, which is why I'm telling you to lower that lot size. Nigga, we can get a trade with more positioning. Once that bitch like if this was like fucking 2 hours ago, nigga, I'd be balls deep right now, nigga. But I'm not, because it's not. All right. So if you're going to enter down here, once again, lower the lot, find your position and get up in that bitch. Stops down there. All right. If we can close on top of 1 minute gap right here, which probably won't happen unless this bitch get the flying right fucking now. Would probably won't happen until after the market opens back up. You see what I'm saying? Once that would be like an extra confirmation that new all-time highs are getting ran. You see what I'm saying? Is by closing on top of that 1 minute gap. Retest it, go. We did just run stops by taking out this low. So once again, if she closed on top of that fair value gap after running stops, that's once again a run on stops, break the structure gap. And it continues to prove the point that I'm making when this bitch just keeps selling off just to run fucking stops. That's the only reason. If that bitch breaks up on that, you'll see the same thing happen again. We just sold off to run stops, and that's it, and get 50%. You know what I mean? So it's further going to prove my point that in a bullish market, all you need to see is price sell the fuck off and run stop. In a market like new all-time high runs like this, like gold, like Bitcoin, shit like that. When it's that fucking bullish, all you got to see is price sell off real quick. Go take out a low. Once that bitch reverses, wraps, new all-time highs, gone. So yeah, manage trades wisely if you are in. All right. Once again, hope you didn't over leverage, nigga. All right. Don't be doing too goddamn much right the fuck now. It's not the time to be going too crazy. But once again, if we can see after the market's opened back up, or if the shit so happens to happen prior to the market closing, if we get the fuck up here, close on top of that, nigga, you'll really hear me call like a super duper official signal, like in all the chats, like Nas there. I don't know what the fuck this is, but here, you'll hear me really, really get y'all up in that there. You know what I'm saying? But everything looks good. All right. Market's about to slow the fuck down. We don't got to stare at this bitch no longer. It's wraps. All right, I got any questions for your boy? Good lesson for the day, man. Y'all just learned. Okay, I hope y'all learned a lot. Y'all better soak these live calls up while y'all can, boy. 2026, boy, it's wraps for this. It's wraps. And not because I don't want to. Man, it's because, nigga, get spoiled with the sauce. Get y'all too much. Nah, man, gotta pull some of that back in honor of my people that pay for me. You understand? Y'all not gonna be getting this too much goddamn longer. I should have did it prior to New Year's, but we're gonna see. Saying that to say,
appreciate it.
For sure. Soak this shit the fuck up, bro. Soak it up. You know what I mean? Y'all ain't gonna find one nigga that's on these charts breaking this bitch down as precise as I am, as easy as I am, and seeing everything the fuck that I say happen. You're not gonna find this shit nowhere the fuck else. I don't give a fuck. Don't give a fuck who you trade with, nigga. I'm stamping that shit. You're not gonna find this shit nowhere else, man. Word up. So
I'm gonna go get that course.
No, y'all better go get that motherfucking course. That be at 500. You see what the fuck niggas is making, nigga? Niggas at $10,000 today. I'm saying shit that's in that goddamn course. Don't play with it. Come get this mentorship. Come get something. Y'all come get this sauce, boy. Oh God, because this shit ain't nothing to play with, boy. Quit taking me for granted, nigga. I'm telling you. Yeah. Y'all got no questions, man. We offer this bitch good money.
What's
Good.
your YouTube channel number, brother? What's your name on it?
Certified Sniper Straight. Here's the channel right here. Y'all want to find these lives, bro? Go to my channel. Subscribe to a young nigga first and foremost. You know what I mean? Show some love in this bitch. But then hit that live button right there. Or everything should be at videos too. Oh no. But go to lives. And here's all the last few live streams we've been doing. And every Sunday I'm gonna do a new live stream. This call right here is also gonna be uploaded. I mean, also go peek these vlogs, nigga. You know what I'm saying? We trying to get the YouTube shit going, nigga. Go show love that Trader Talk, nigga. And nigga, it's sauce in here, bro. Like, y'all niggas ain't really gonna look at the YouTube, nigga. It's 3 years ago. We've been doing this shit. Live trading sessions and all that shit, nigga. We been doing this shit. The shit y'all see from me ain't nothing the fuck new, I promise you. You know what I'm saying? Nigga, all this shit been going on. Y'all want to see how nothing new it is? How really not? Nigga, I'm going to leave y'all with this. Y'all niggas think this shit a gang like I just now learned shit or something. You know what I mean? Slap this chat right here, nigga. This is what you get access to when you got them join that lifetime. That goddamn, yeah, you pay that 6K, nigga. You get all this. Look how long this shit scrolls up to, nigga. I'm gonna show you, nigga. Look how far we go back with all these live trading sessions, nigga. And the same thing y'all see me do on Zoom every single day. We've been doing this shit for years. It's what you call an archive right here. We got the fucking archive. Before I even had nigga, nigga, saying that to say, bro. Look at the young nigga, bro. I ain't had no swag, bro. This before I had the swag. You know what I'm saying? I was still that young nigga that was just teaching people, and I wasn't even making no pay myself. I was just getting people paid. You know what I'm saying? I was just getting people paid, nigga. We been doing this shit, brother. You know what I mean? Live trade sessions and all the exact same shit I'm teaching y'all today. You know what I mean? So when I be saying that the sauce and the analysis and all the shit that I got comes from years of experience, I mean that. And that's what mentorship and that's what that course is going to give you. You get 8 years of experience in sauce condensed into something that you can literally finish within 2 days. You see what I'm saying? Don't play with that shit. And y'all should be in profit on NAS. Who popped it?
I'm in now.
Damn Skippy. Joe, shut your ugly ass up. Oh, God, before I get the flame your shit. Who else said me? There's only 2 people in NAS?
Nas, you was hunting, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm in there.
Yeah.
I'm in that big dog.
Yeah. That's money on the table. Oh, y'all told y'all. Well, there you go. I say,
Hey, real quick, I see them arrows, big dog. That's how you think it's gonna shoot up if it go good.
If it close on top of that gap, yep.
All right.
You take partials here. For anybody that got them, you comfortable, you like the money you see in some shit, partials there, and the market about to close. So partials. And if she closes on top of that bitch, then yeah, we gone. And I'm gonna buy that bitch again right before the. I'm not even in it right now. I got y'all in. You know what I'm saying? I told y'all why I don't like entering prior to the market close. So I'm not even in this bitch. It's more or less a y'all trade. You know what I'm saying? And once I see everything I want to see, as far as her just random stops, and then we break structure by closing on top of this, that's when I really drop my nuts on her. You know what I mean? But if you in that bitch from down here, hold, that bitch looking good, boy. It's only like 4 people in this bitch. I thought all y'all was gonna buy that bitch. I thought every single one of y'all was gonna buy that motherfucker. Why I ain't buy it? Because I said I won't. Why I ain't buy it? Because I said something about that goddamn 4 o'clock shit. Yeah, that's probably what it was. That's exactly what it was.
Then they get a reason.
Yeah. I should have just said.
I'm gonna be real. I'm gonna hold this bitch right for 445. I'm gonna take my shit before I get margin. I'm motherfucking spray and go wide it.
Oh God, yeah, that's spread wicked, boy. She gonna get you every time. And that's that 5 to 6, boy. That's that broker's time to get you, boy. That's their designated time to fuck your ass over. Come get all the money. That's why the spread increases. That's on purpose. That's what the brokers do. Mm-hmm. Yeah, they would be smart to take some money off the table. See why I said partial out here? That's why I said that. Excuse me. Fair value gaps. Run the show, y'all. Run the show. All right. But I'm done breaking this bitch down, man. That's tell y'all got it. Y'all done made some money off me and all. Y'all good now. All right, I'm off this bitch. Good sauce. Last bar I'm gonna leave you. Damn, I got the hiccups. Last bar I'm gonna leave y'all with. Excuse me. Let this let this 4-hour candle.
Crackhead.
Shut your bitch ass up. Goddamn. This 4-hour candle closed like this. Damn, closed like
drugs, kids.
this shit closed like this right here. That 4-hour bullet CRT to take.
Let me see a lava candle.
Oh, shut your bitch ass up. Boy, I hate y'all niggas.
I hate y'all niggas.
Annoying, boy. Still pay me every month. Come on, this bitch and troll. Weird. Once again, this 4-hour candle closed like this right here. 4-hour bullet CRT. Damn, coming from bullish fair value gap. Yeah. Looking amazing. All right. So be ready. Be ready for Asia. Be ready for London. We trying to take this bitch up. All right. Good work, good sauce. I'll get this uploaded on YouTube soon.